Hi everyone, I'm Linda from Colourwerx Designs and welcome into my Colouricious sewing studio. I am super excited to tell you about my brand new class with Creative Spark called Wonky Piecing and Easy Applique with the Mini ModDog. With no quarter-inch seams to follow, students will learn the beginning basics of fun improv wonky piecing while making a wonky piece strip unit to cut their Mini ModDog from. And I'll also share 3 of my most favorite machine quilting patterns so you can choose one to quilt the background of your Mini ModDog pillow or wall hanging. Then we'll finish off by appliquing our Mini ModDog to our background fabric, and I'll share all of my most favorite tips and tricks so that you can improve your machine applique techniques. Last, I'll show you how to finish it off into a cute wall hanging or pillow for gift giving or to keep for yourself. But be forewarned, this project is highly addictive, and I call this the immediate gratification project as it can be completed in just a weekend. I guarantee you'll want to make more and more of these Mini ModDogs. So I hope you'll join me for my class, Wonky Piecing and Easy Applique with the Mini ModDog. See you in class!